Good morning. Derrick Sanderson here, Keller Williams Realty in Chico, California. Thanks for tuning in for this week's Monday morning market update, where I take a look at single-family residential here in Chico. As always, if you have any questions about any other part of the segment of real estate, whether it's condos or mobiles or residential income properties, definitely feel free to reach out. Even if it's outside of Chico, I'd love to be able to get that information to you. But for the sake of Monday mornings, we take a look at single family residential. So without further ado, let's jump in for today, Monday, October 19th. And if you have any questions or need to reach out to me, feel free, hit me up at this number right here. That is my cell phone number. You can call, text, or reach out to me here on social media. So without further ado, why don't we jump in and kind of take a look and see what has been going on. So currently, as of 9 a.m. this morning, we have 109 single-family residential homes on the market here in Chico. If you've been tuning in for any amount of time or you've been following along on Mondays, you will know that those are still crazy low numbers for inventory here in Chico, and for a lot of reasons, which we can get into at another time. Something I've added recently is taking a look at what's pending here in Chico. So again, we have 109 active single families. As far as pending, we have 146. Now, for a little while, this number was actually double what was active. And so we're starting to see that these numbers get a little bit closer together. But let me remind you, typically this time of year, we have usually over 200 homes active on the market. So we're at at least half, 50% of what we normally do. So that pending number also puts that into a little bit of perspective. So average days on market. So we're going to take a look at the average days on market for these 109 homes. In a few minutes, I'm going to show you another average days on market, and that's for sold homes. And there's a reason why there's such a big gap, and we'll go over that in just a second. But for these 109 homes, the average days on market is coming in at 60. That's right, 60 days, 2 months is the average that these 109 homes have been sitting on the market. And the median list price for these 109. Now, difference between median and average. The average, you take all of them, all the numbers of those 109 homes, add them together, and then divide by the number that you have. The median, you actually take the least expensive on the market, line it up to the most expensive, and then whatever's right there in the middle is your median. So the median list price right now is $505,652. So up over $500,000. Well, that's pretty insane. Essentially what that means is there's a lot more expensive homes currently on the market than there are less expensive homes. So again, the way you line them up, and then it's right in the middle. So that explains what that number is right there. So let's quick take a look and see what's going on here in the last 7 days here in Chico. So we've had 25 new listings, 26 have gone under contract. So that means the sellers have accepted an offer in some way, shape, or form, and 28 have closed. So those 28 homes is essentially a snapshot of what happened 30 to 45 days ago, because the typical escrow in our area is 30 to 45 days. So those homes went pending 30 to 45 days ago. Now let's zoom out just a little bit more and take a look at what's going on in the last 30 days. So we've got 109 homes that have sold. Check out that average days on market, 19 days. Now remember, That 19 is for those 109 homes, that 19 days on market. So what that tells me is that if you price your home correctly, it's gonna be on the market for less than 3 weeks. If you overprice your home, you're looking at those 60 days on market for an average. Now again, every home's different. Some homes are super unique. Some homes are a little bit more expensive and there's not as many qualified buyers, but still price cures all. So that's kind of what's been going on. Also, the interest rate as of this morning is coming at 3.01%. So that is driving a lot of buyers to the marketplace still. If you have any questions, like I said in the beginning, feel free to reach out to me at this number here. That is my cell phone number. Otherwise, you guys have an incredible week. I hope you're enjoying your October. I can't believe October is almost done. Halloween is just around the corner. As always, stay safe, and I will see you all again next Monday for Monday Morning Market Update.